Say, come in. Say,
Can I come in?
Papa.
Say, come on in.
Say, hi, Papa.
Clean him up. Clean him up, Mom.
What's in here? Tractor.
Oh, get serious.
What's the fellow's ankle on this? Look
Oh,
at that.
yeah, sure.
But look at Grandma, especially for Stewie. Is it okay? It's Grandpa. Papa. Should I take it off? Say please. You're a good boy. Should be close. Please. Sit in your chair. Good boy. Who's the cutest little boy in all the world I know? JJ. JJ, look out for me. I'm the cutest boy on land or sea. Yay! Yesterday at my parents' taught Sarah and him how to do Ring Around the Rosie. Oh, all fall down. It's just adorable doing it. Is that right? And they all fall down and goes boom. Well, maybe soon you'll be able to do that with the team. Yeah, well, Dad showed her how to do it. Today she stood by herself for about 10 seconds. So. Oh yeah, she'll be walking very soon. Here it is. Thank you. Okay, a little on this side. There. Oh boy, JJ. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, right in the hair.
Oh, yeah.
DJ, try and keep it out of the hair. Yeah, eat. Nummy, nummy.
Bring some milk.
Yay, JJ. Can you drink some milk? You want some milk to drink?
Good milk.
You're coming thick and fast
Yucky.
now.
Bye. Yucky. Is it yucky? Is it yucky? You love to see this. Ansel doing this. No, it's wonderful. It's yummy. Stupendous. It's delicious. Wowie wooey. It's more delicious than anything
Oi, 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 oi.
you could imagine.
Oi, 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 oi.
Are you a little bird? You gonna fly away?
You like this bird?
What's that?
Mm.
Have you tried to wash his shirt yet?
Oh, yeah.
Did it come clean?
It's in the washing machine, I think, or it's in the dryer, one of the two.
Because if it doesn't, you'll have to soak it in Javex.
It should.
Airplane.
His other one
Without
came
Javex.
clean.
Oh,
The other one
Sure.
came clean and got all the chocolate in the road, so.
That's good. But he didn't, that collar's a little bit, it just fits, you know.
Yeah.
And it's tighter than what he's used to.
Yeah, he's Mr. No Neck. Please. Be nice, JJ.
Oh.
JJ.
What are you doing? Where's JJ? Hello there. Where's JJ? Boom. Well, spread it out. He's gonna get it over his eyes.
Here.
Here, want Mommy help?
There.
Yeah.
See? Where's JJ? Beep.
Mommy help? There, Mommy knows how to do it real good.
Peekaboo.
Where's JJ?
JJ. Peek, 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 peek. Boo.
Or up high?
Put them in your pocket, JJ. Put them in your pocket.
Don't put it in your pocket.
Sure, they don't melt. It's in gun pocket. Like the room?
Or whatever that thing is.
Who said you could have those? Boy, you're stuffing them in as fast as you can.
Yes.
Think Mommy's gonna take them away?
Look at this!
Wow!
Extremely easy.
There's a long winter coming up.
Oh, sorry, Dad.
Okay.
The winter is half over.
Good.
Yeah, we're in the clear.
Well, I think it's going to be like minus 40 this year.
There's JJ. There's the bomb.
Oh, you're going on there. You're going boom. Oh. Yeah, I got you.
We had a supper and then
The advantage here.
well, yeah, we had seafood. We had a seafood spread last night.
Oh, yeah. And then you get home and you
It's dry and
edit it out or put it on permanent.
I wasn't busy.
Now, Jeff, I would like you. I didn't get the hint, eh? I would
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
I got it before he was around.
Oh.
Actually, that's quite a bit.
Okay, let me try a shot or two here.
You have to press the red button to start.
It's going. Now I'm going to zoom in on Uncle Archie here.
Some taking pictures of me, and so I
Oops, wrong way.
I hate pictures. I take aping in pictures, especially still. Moving, I like. Still, I don't like.
No, I need a wing one.
Can I have a sec?
Hey, JJ. How about a Christmas message there, Grandpa?
Yes. You're the queen. She's the empress. The princess. Oh, the empress. No, the princess. The princess of pop. Prince of poop. And the ball has on it. It says princess of power. Oh, dear. Yes. You want to come? Okay.